this is going to be the OG.
For the information of passengers traveling on Air Canada Rouge Flight 1739 with service.
I'm trying to make a video here. I'm at the airport. We're heading to Cali. We're going back to Cali. Cali. We're going back to Cali. I think so. Celebrating 5 years on the wrist with the Tudor BlackBay GMT. Have you heard of the new release? I'm sure by now you have. BlackBay 58 GMT. It's pretty special. One of the greatest travel watches on the planet. 7:19 a.m., 4:19 a.m. in California. We're on our way. Because I'm celebrating 5 years on the wrist. 5 years on the wrist. We're going to San Diego and LA. Yeah, we're going. You're coming with. Wow, it's been 5 years on the wrist. Can you believe it already? Tudor BlackBay GMT, and wow, no issues here. It's timeless and functional, but can it get better? Holy crap, I went through one design release, now I gotta deal with a second. Another Watches and Wonders release for 2024. The Tudor BlackBay 58 GMT. We've gone to Coke versus Pepsi. I'm not gonna bore you and waste your time. I do not have hands-on with the new piece, but I do want to take a look at celebrating 5 years on the wrist with the OG. Don't get me wrong, this new piece is beautiful. It's special. It's gorgeous. And I can only imagine what she's going to be like in person. Consider my skirt blown up. I've seen it online. And thanks to several people who have already made some great videos regarding the hands-ons with the Tudor BlackBay 58, appreciate it. Especially Jenny L. Kudos to Jenny L, because she gave us kind of a walkthrough as to how things are at the Watches and Wonders. Do you know how much that would be for me to go to Switzerland to see Watches and Wonders in person from Canada? Oh boy. Plenty of what you need to get the job done. Speaking of originals, let's go check out the USS Midway from, I think it's WW2, World War II carrier. She's right here. For starters, you're looking at the obvious Coke red and black bezel versus the red and blue Pepsi from the original. Two important specs that could impact a large dynamic of people here. For the 58 GMT, it's at 39 millimeters for the case rather than 41 millimeters for the OG. We're also looking at a nice sleeker design at 12.8 millimeter thickness instead of the 14 millimeters for this thicker profile. But you know what? My wrist is 7¼ inches. No problem. I know, right? Why was there a soccer ball in the urinal? I scored. That's not all that's changed. We also have a certified COSC movement also in the new one. The MT5450 automatic movement is powering the new release, and everyone cares what's under the hood. They know you're getting great craftsmanship with top-notch movement. I mean, come on. It is the brother or sister of the Rolex GMT Master 2. I think they're going for that vintage style because obviously the 58, based on, you know, the release from years ago. Finally some sun in beautiful San Diego, downtown. The USS Midway. Right there. Let's check out the original, the OG. On the USS Midway. Anybody that can spend time in a suit like that all day, they need a tip. 5 years on the wrist and no complaints. Still running strong, which leads me to my next question. Do I need the 58 Coke design? Well, for starters, Coke, Pepsi, it doesn't matter. I don't drink either one of them. But as far as the pizzazz or the panache that they have, just spectacular with this new release for the 58 GMT. Now this is more like sunny California, San Diego. We're going to LA next, but we're going to enjoy our time here in San Diego. with Tudor BLACKBAY GMT, the OG. I personally think Tudor has crushed it for the 2024 release. Just like the last colorway, simple change, but it can add a lot of style to the watch. The original coming back from 2018.
Plus I'm working on my tan. I'm so pale from the winter.
It is awesome, and now I have some explaining to do. You can only imagine what Amy's going to say when I said I need to go get the BLACKBAY 58 Coke. You know what she's going to say.
We're here for a few days in San Diego. We'll chill out, enjoy the sun, see some sights, check out the Gaslight area there, and some other stuff. Might even go to the San Diego Zoo. I mean, a zoo is a zoo, right? It's got animals in it and stuff, but I've heard good things about the San Diego Zoo. You know what would be cool is if you had a scooter for the zoo, because there's a lot of walking there. I would anticipate we're putting on 20,000 steps that day.
Now, I did make a video regarding the OEM strap. I had some concerns. I had some issues with my strap. It was the leather strap with the stainless steel Tudor deployant style clasp. I made a video. I'll leave the link down below for you. I have been fortunate enough to have been sent watch straps by ARTEM, ARTEM, artemstraps.com. You can make your selections online and choose the one that's going to be best suited for your watch, but these straps are dynamite and they have an excellent way of elevating the level or style of the watch. It's just unbelievable. The first ones I was sent were the loopless sailcloth straps. They're about $200 and some each, and of course you have the ability to add things like quick release, and also they have a deployant style push button clasp that you can use, closure system, as well as the Hydroflex, which is the one I have here, the black Hydroflex, which is a pin and buckle closure system. But the same materials, you have that synthetic, almost like a rubber that's right on the wrist. You have the quick release as well. Yeah, they're pretty dynamite and they're pretty special, and they don't take away from the watch at all. They've got a soft feel and give you that peace of mind when you're around water sources and such, because you don't have to worry about that water protection and whatnot with the rubber and synthetic materials that they're used for the build quality. It's beautiful. What more can you ask for? You get dynamite looks, ultimate function, and at a reasonable price. That's why I didn't go with the OEM Tudor materials for the strap or bracelet.
That's the Tudor BLACKBAY GMT, 5 years on the wrist. I think that'll be it for my yearly update. We're gonna go 10 years for the next one. Well, 5 years. 10th anniversary, we'll do another video. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for coming to the channel. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit that, or smash that bell. I'm also on Instagram, right there, at the Covert Crow. I'm Ross. Appreciate all your time. Be safe, be well. See you on the next one.